Skyscrapers are super tall buildings. They take a lot of planning, strong materials, and a big team of experts. Here is how they are made step by step in a simple way. 1. Plan and make a strong base. Architects draw the building and decide how it will look and work. Engineers check that it will be strong in wind and weather. They use math and computer models. Workers test the ground to see how strong the soil and rocks are. They dig a big hole for the foundation. This is like the building's sturdy shoes. They pour thick concrete with steel bars inside called rebar to make it extra strong. In some places, they add long piles, big posts, deep into the ground to hold up the heavy building. 2. Build the tall frame and floors. The inside skeleton is made of steel columns and beams, or a mix of steel and concrete. Think of it like a strong metal Lego set. Tower cranes lift heavy pieces high into the air. The crane can even climb higher as the building grows by adding new sections. Workers connect the pieces with bolts or welds, so the frame is tight and strong. Floors are made with steel decks and concrete on top, or with big concrete slabs. In the middle, they build a stiff core for elevators and stairs. The core helps the building stand straight. Pipes and wires go in next: water, power, internet, heating, and cooling. These are the building's veins and nerves. The outside walls, called a curtain wall, are added. These are panels of glass and metal that keep wind and rain out and let light in. 3. Safety, comfort, and finishing touches. Steel parts get fireproofing, and the building gets sprinklers, alarms, and safe stairwells for practice drills. Skyscrapers can move a tiny bit in strong wind. To stay comfy, some tall buildings have a tuned mass damper. That is a giant weight or water tank up high that helps calm the swaying, like a gentle counterbalance. Windows are often double-glazed to keep heat and noise out and save energy. Many new buildings are green. They use smart lights, efficient air systems, good insulation, and sometimes rooftop gardens to save energy and water. Inspectors check everything many times to make sure it is safe and ready. At the end, workers add walls, floors, paint, and furniture. Then people can move in to live or work. Fun facts. A tower crane can lift pieces as heavy as a big car. Concrete can be pumped up like a milkshake through a long, strong hose. Some elevators in very tall buildings go faster than cars on city streets, over 40 miles per hour. Taipei 101 has a huge gold-colored ball inside that helps keep it steady in strong winds. Building a skyscraper takes thousands of people and several years. It needs careful plans, a strong foundation, a tall frame, and lots of safety checks. The result is an amazing building that reaches the sky and gives many people a place to live, work, and explore.